very sad to say that family, if you look at their kid and all, they are very small. And I have seen one material he has bought for his kid. That is a Mercedes-Benz, one white vehicle. Small lorry. No,
Lorry
it is
toy.
a toy. When looking at that, I felt very bad. And our Raghavanji and Ashraf, they are, from the day one, they have given me the directions, and all MLAs, MPs of Kerala, they have supported us. Apart from that, Venugopalji was several times he has called me, how to take care. And while I think day before yesterday, Venugopalji with our Siddharamayaji CM in Mallapuram, Panchayat or somewhere place, Taluka place. That time they have requested very clearly that however we are giving to the Karnataka people, whatever for this type of incidents happens, whatever from the government side support they are giving, that has to be given to the same system without having any differentiation.
So this, sir, all the time you ensured the family, you will bring Arjun back to home. How did his parents and wife reacted by seeing you?
There, I cannot say because it's Anju, where she is totally in Shirur. That time she has convinced what we are doing and how we are doing. Because we have done 5 parts. You have seen that. First we have cleared the road part as per the direction of the Benz people. And who has been supported by the your own persons and all this. Then we are not denied. But I was having sure that from the day one, it has slanted like this and it has tilted and it has position of the truck tire is ulta. But nothing can be done. Then we have bought the metal detector from Belgaum, then Bangalore, then Indra Bananji also has bought the special equipments from Delhi. Thereafter, our regular, we have bought the from Solapur, from Maharashtra, we have bought the long boom dredger, roadside dredger. That also not happened. Then I told particularly Ashraf and Raghavanji that it is not possible. Please, you have to help me for the dredger. And Kerala, there was the agriculture dredger was there. They have also visited, but somehow this is not a small one. It has not small one. It has not happened. But again, we have not stopped our work. We have bought from Goa, and Goa minister, port minister, has helped us. Goa port minister has told me to take it directly whenever you want. Then port director also is there, and district administration, police department, and DC ma'am, deputy CM, our D.K. Shivakumarji, Krishna Bairegowdaji, Satish Jarkiraji, all people they have visited. Here, Minister from PWD also visited. All we have tried our possibilities, but we couldn't find him alive. That is our tragedy.
Right now,
Have you ever seen such kind of a funeral, such kind of a farewell? A common man and a truck driver is getting a lot of respect and praise from land.
I'm telling you, first of all, I salute you people. You people have not removed, you have not gone from that place only. And from first day it was 4 kilometers to you. Then I fought with our police department also, district administration also, not to, because news media is a very important role. Wherein we are working or not, you can only give the opinion on that. And I took you people to inside. Thereafter on boat and all these things, we have did. Thereafter they are supported because police department, you know, that administration, there is also some problem is there is some control. Then we have got Udupi, our Malpe Malpe person name is Ishwar Malpe. He has also tried, but it was totally inside the mud. Inside the mud. So it was very difficult. It was very difficult. You will not believe Venugopal has told to take the blood sample and keep it ready from Arjun's house. Okay, Arjun brother's blood we have taken much before the DNA test. Okay, and we have sent it to DNA with the priority, and they have made within 12 hours. They have given the report, and that report was telling, and whatever the best possibility from NDRF, SDRF, Seabird people, all the department supported, but only my vision was not on points and all this thing. It is a common sense where it go. It will go up to maximum 25 to 30 meters on the river part. And if the high tide is there, then it will tilt up to 10 meter southern side. Okay, west side. East side. And if it is a low tide, then it is west side 10 meter. But that truck where we have found now, it was exactly that location. Mr. He can only.
Just interfering with whether the financial help also is handed over.
Yeah, that Venugopalji and sir, both them, they have requested Raghavanji and Ashraf. Even Ashraf, it is not an area. While coming, I asked, which is your area? Then he said, my area is Manjeshwaram. But unity is very important.
In Kerala, we do not have any
Unity is
separate
very important. I like that. I praise that because see, once the election over, then you should not think that we have to do this, we have to take the revenge. No, we have to work.
And right now, Kerala people call you another MLA from
Yeah,
Kerala.
140%.
Thank you. So.